Hey there everybody, it's Federico Perez for Guarani Vision all the way from Asunción, Paraguay. I'm actually just 2 blocks away from Olimpia's stadium and I'm just sitting in my car. I'm actually just waiting a little bit because I'm so anxious. I actually came too early to the stadium and I thought this first video from my car would be just perfect to tell you guys what we're gonna be doing on this different video. You guys probably got used to seeing me at the house, seeing me at home, behind my computer, talking to Roberto, talking to Maria, talking to Ralph. We actually been doing the podcast for over a year now, and you know, when we started doing the podcast, we didn't know when football was going to come back here in Paraguay. We didn't know if fans were actually going to have the chance eventually to go back to the stands also, and they've actually been able to go back to the stadiums for over a month now, and it's my turn now. After waiting, after doing the whole process, after getting my vaccines, obviously, and now I have the opportunity to go to one of the stadiums, to go to one of the games, to broadcast for the radio that I work at, Rock and Pop 95.5, and I wanted to take everybody from Guarani Vision, our community, everybody that has been following us these last more than 365 days. I wanted to take you on this journey, take you on this very special day. I don't know what I'm going to go through. I don't know what I'm going to see. I don't know how different life in the stadiums now in the Paraguayan football is in this pandemic that we are still living in. But let's go. Let's start this adventure. Let's go back to the stadium. This game is played on a Monday. It's always weird to come to the stadium on a Monday. It's usually a lot different. You can see over there the lights of the stadium. I'm just a block away. The dog lets me know it. Well guys, we're almost back. That's the Olimpia Stadium. We are officially back. About an hour away from kickoff. Olimpia against Nacional. Well guys, this is our booth, this is our place, this is where I'm gonna watch the game from, where I'm gonna broadcast the game today. Obviously I can take my mask off because there's nobody else around me. There are other booths next to mine, but we're all separated by windows, so there's no trouble, there's no problems, no COVID going around. Well guys, match is over. I think I can take my mask off now because there's nobody around me. The stadium is practically empty. I'm leaving. Nacional won the game, the away team 2-1. They had an awesome first half. They were actually winning the game by 2-0. And Olimpia was able to come back and at least score a goal. Second half was all about Olimpia. They just couldn't get the shot. Olimpia is last in the tournament. And for Nacional, this is a very important win because it gives them a 3-point advantage in the chance that they have to qualify for the next Libertadores of 2022. Well, thank you so much for coming along with me being a part of this adventure. I'm back in the stadiums, and hopefully we're gonna have a lot more for you guys in Guarani Vision now that we can go out again and we can talk to the players, we can be at the stadiums. I'm just so happy about it. So thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.